Echo News Jamaica. Me up on the streets of Jamaica, bringing you the real news from the heart of the city. Stay locked in.
Big up the diaspora, them people of Canada, London, New York. Yo, what's up, Jamaica? It's your street reporter, Echo. Straight from the heart of the street, bringing you the hottest, realest, breaking news right now. Listen up. Powered by Jamaica Observer and the Gleaner. The street hype and everything. Try and security, street pressure still tone up the weekend. Kick off with tension in a Kingston. And St. Catherine security forces go hard with major operations from the early hours. West Kingston police and soldiers mash up what them call a major criminal base to wanted man. Them still under wraps in house get captured after them trial. Last minute dash residents tell the Observer say them wake up to loud bangs and shouting. All Spanish town no quiet either curfew. Still tight in section after Friday night gunplay left one man injured. Police said them deep on the ground, but the people are Baltimore lost in peace. Them tired of the on and off tension. I command say expect more curfews, more spot checks, more roadblocks. But me tell you this, the people they want solution, not just operation. New traffic and transbone chaos on the road them. Jamaica roads look like battleground this weekend. Both Mandela Highway see a serious pile up yesterday afternoon. 4 vehicle collision, 1 motorcycle, 1 dead, multiple injuries. Police investigating speeding and suspected drunk driving. Vote halfway tree, gridlock for hours after a coaster bus lose brakes and mash up a taxi. And 2 vendor stalls, no major injuries. Thank the Almighty, but the vendors are ball about them last. Word from Transport Minister, enforcement step up. Expect breathalyzer points, speed traps and impromptu vehicle checks this week. Loose kuse, watch your foot on the gas road. Hot already, don't make it hotter. I government and the event, big talk, small action. For Observer, reports a 500 million announced for patch up roads in Westmoreland, Clarendon, St. Mary people in Sav, me a pen and a note to beer. Said them hear this before. We want to see machine on the road, not just speech. King St. Catherine, ground break for your using. Scheme targeted at young professionals, but at 16 million a unit. Some young Jamaicans said that now reach them. Real development of reach real people. Jamaica still a beat, even with the tension. The heart of the street still a pump. Amaze community ball game in Trenchtown last night draw big crowd. Peace vibes turn up, selectors a drop positive rhythm. Police and community youth even kick ball together. Town downtown Kingston stay alive. Market busy sellers hustling. Youths a juggle, sound system string up in a the corner. By people I say we can't let badness take with joy. Life a fi go on. Five no lose echo word. Street wisdom for the weak. The place tense, but the people resilient. Watch your steps, stay alert. Show respect on the road and in a the lane. If you see wrong, speak up. If you can help, do it. The streets belong to all of we. That's the scene. July 6, 20, that's your fight. Same way the streets talk. I saw we echo. Stay safe, stay sharp. Echo.
Back on the ocean, back on the ocean, back on the ocean, back on the ocean. Charles from another mouth, back on the ocean. BS up another mouth, back on the ocean. Back on the ocean, back on the ocean, back on the ocean, back on the ocean. Charles from another mouth, back on the ocean. BS up another mouth, back on the ocean. From London, New York, straight back a yard. The diaspora massive, we vice large. Big news, big vibes, big sound system. Every day your feelings stay up on the rhythm. Light all us right, see the eye on the day. Come on full of the light, training at the round the day. So you want for the click to the papa day. Come on full of ribbon, come on top rope by day. Back on the ocean, back on the ocean, back on the ocean, back on the ocean. Just a man on the mouth, back on the ocean. Please a man on the mouth, back on the ocean. Back on the ocean, back on the ocean, back on the ocean, back on the ocean. Just a man on the mouth, back on the ocean. Please a man on the mouth, back on the ocean. Joy Conyosa, the real source for no topping.